Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol Bngo, which is for Bionano Genomics, and today they had an earning. So in this particular video, I will just mention the earning highlights. At the same time, the chart, mostly the support, resistance, the technical thing, so that if you're a day trader or a swing trader or even long-term investor, so you know what price point you should get in and out. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also on my YouTube channel, there is a community tab. If you want, you can always join. So during the day and even pre-market, I post a lot of things. So basically trade ideas with support, resistance, when to get in, when to get out, so that you make your own plan and you know the support resistance for making some trade ideas. And it costs only $5 for the entire month, which is roughly for 2 coffees for the entire month. So anyway, give a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel to get daily trade ideas. Anyway, so we all know most probably about Bngo and their Sapphire system. So in this particular video, I will not go through what is Bngo and everything, but definitely this is a good one. I'm very long on Bngo, so yeah, this is the one I like. Anyway, so today they had an earning, and just to highlight that Bngo reports second quarter 2021 financial result, and you can see that 226% year-over-year total revenue increase. That's a lot, driven by growth in Sapphire install base, all 2021 milestones on track, strong balance sheet with 333 million in cash as of June 30th. So that's great, right? So what does it say? We had a strong quarter to cap off the first half of 2021, which we believe was one of the most transformational periods in Bionano's history. For the quarter ended on June 30th, total revenue was 3.9 million, which is up 226% on a year-over-year basis. Really good. Also, the second quarter of 2021 was very positive for Bionano, with steady and continued year-over-year revenue growth, a strong cash position of 333 million at quarter end. So if you look at the highlights, so they have shipped 13 Sapphire systems in the quarter ended June 30th, compared to 6 systems shipped in the same quarter in 20. So they have doubled. Okay. They also have sold 2742 nano channel array flows cells. And let me see something. And some of the news we already know about the UK NHS partnership. We know about this. And look if there is something else. And also the total revenue was 3.9 million for the 3 month, we know, which is up. Gross margin was 37%, which is up from the previous 33% in first quarter, which is also good. The operating expense was 17.9 million compared to 12.2 million. So you can see the operating expense has increased compared to the first quarter of 2021. Also, the second quarter of 2020 has an operating expense of 8 million. There is an increase, but what they have said that the year-on-year increase was primarily due to expenses and increased headcount related spending as we build out all facets of the organization. Anyway, so when you are expanding market, there is marketing, there is more things, so there could be more expense. It makes sense, but the important thing is, are they on the right track? Is the revenue increasing? Are they going in the right direction? This is the most important thing. Anyway, so after the earning, there was a mixed feeling. You can see just after the earning, it was around 5.9, came down all the way to 5.65. Then again, you see some buying pressure. It went all the way to 6.15, which is the resistance. Then it came down and now moving sideways. You can see that entire day it was down by 1%, but after hour, sometimes it is getting plus and minus and still deciding. So it will be very interesting to see what will be the pre-market tomorrow. Not bad. Also, I was reading some article from July 9th. It said another day, another buy rating. And when you look at the tip rank, it says it has a price target of 11.5 with a high of 14 and a low of 10. You can see the recent rating of Maxim Group is $10, Oppenheimer is $14, and BTIG has $10 rating. If I click here, maybe you can see it has a strong buy with a 4 rating, with a high of 14 and a low of 10 and an average of 11.5, and the current price is below $6. So there is a potential of increasing to 10 or 12, almost 100% if you are long on Bngo. So definitely there is something, right? The next one I want to see about the volume. So today's volume, you can see end of the day, just before the closing, some big volumes came. But if you look on a daily volume, you can see that beginning of January, it is a very high volume, like 800 million daily volume, 600 million daily volume. Then the volume was dying. You see small spikes in volume here and there, but overall there is not enough volume. But whenever there will be volume, I'm sure it will go higher. I also like this particular website because it shows you the 30-day implied volatility, so you can see how volatile is the stock. So it gives you a sense. So in the beginning of the year it was very volatile. Now with time it is coming down and it is moving sideways. So the current volatility is around 112. Anyway, now let's look at the price action. So we know what happened. That thing was below $1 and it has an insane run up. It went all the way to 15.6, then it was coming down, tried to recover and again coming down. This is the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, the RSI, it has been moving sideways. The MACD is not, I can't say this is the time it will reverse. So let's turn on the lines. I just want to see how things are moving. So this is what I'm looking at. Instead of daily, I'm looking at the hourly chart. I just want to determine how things are moving. So the two blue lines, these are the lines I drew this morning. So you can see that it has been making lower highs. That is why it is coming down. On the other hand, it has been making higher lows. So it has formed a channel, if not a channel, like a triangle, and it is converging to the tip. And most of the time when it converges, either it goes up or it comes down. So in the event it comes down, I'm eyeing for the 5.6 support. You can see for few instances it came and bounced off this area. That is why I have the box which I call buy zone. So if it comes here, I will buy more. I have lots of Bngo position, but if it comes around this area, maybe I'll just buy for a swing trade. If you're a day trader, you can do the same if you know your level. On the other hand, 6.16 is some kind of a resistance, because you can see it was rejected multiple times. It was a support previously, then it became a resistance. If I turn on the after hour today, you can see this is the blue band here. Again it went and it bounced from the blue line, which is 6.11, and came down. So these lines are very important to me, because these two lines are very important because the share price is following the pattern. So I want to see which way it goes. So it might come back to 5.6 and bounce off, or it might go up, break through 6.15 this area and continue going up and up. I also have a line here which is in green. So the support is around 5.1, because we know sometime in mid-April it came to 5.1 and then it went over 5.1. So again, I'm just having this because sometimes I like to put limit buy order. So I have a limit buy order at 5 point. In case it comes to 5.2, only for some time I will just add more. Otherwise, for a swing trade or for a day trade, I'm eyeing on 5.6, and definitely I'm playing Bngo in two different ways, not actually two, three. So one is day trading, one is swing, other one is long-term investment. If you're an option lover, then look for the call option, and I'm looking for the call option. And it is interesting to see that for January 2022, so which is 170 days from now, look at the open interest. 16,000 call options are waiting for Bngo to hit $15. So yeah, they are betting big. I don't know why, but again, the price is $38 for one call option. Personally, I have a call option for 10 strike price. So by January, still I have some time. Hopefully it will go there. If it does not go there, if it goes to $7 or $8, I will make money. Now let's look at the near-term call options. So August 20th, you see the call options here. So for 7, 8, these two, and number 10, lots of call options that is still open. So they are betting big. I'm not sure whether it will go to 10, but 7, 8, still there are a lot of people waiting there. Some has closed, some are still open. So anyway, look at the volatility is 118%. If you are a long on Bngo, you can just try a long expiry date sometime in like January 2022 or maybe in February. or even let's look at January 2023. If you think it will go back to $10 or $15 by next 2 years, almost 534 days, just buy a call option for $200 or buy a call option for $149 and just sit and relax and give it some time to go there. There will be lots of earning, lots of quarters, so you do not need to worry. Just buy and forget everything, because 15 was the previous high. If you think in next 2 years it can touch 15, just spend $149 and forget. So anyway, it's up to you how you want to play. But I have a call option. I also have lots of shares, so I'm just looking at the price action. So in this video, the intent was to show you the highlights of the earning, at the same time the important support and resistance. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also give a try the community in YouTube and look at the post. Like today we talked about MOSI, then we talked about SPRT, then Zilla, then ARK Invest. So many trade ideas during the day. Give a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. It is only $5 per month, and I think you will make more money than $5. So anyway, thank you for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.